So the name of this poem is The Ruse and the Rain. It has ever been so in the valley where a ridge of hills will rise against the gathering weather, a ridge irregular as the limbs of my father stretched out on a sofa reading the evening paper after his dinner of liver and onions. At my mother's call for bath time, I would burrow in behind him. He would shift his paper slyly to give me cover, deny all knowledge of my whereabouts. I would breathe deeply of him, an ether of onions, cigar smoke, and of stale office sweat. And I would wait for my mother's grin when she uncovered our ruse again. Like a soft rain will breach the ridge just when the valley must have it.